Plans and elevations. Well, plans and elevations is what a shape looks like from different sides. And three key terms that you'll see in the exam papers and in lessons will be the word plan, which is often labelled as a P, which is the view looking directly down. So if you're at the top of a classroom, you could look directly down in it, you'd probably see a rectangular shape with lots of rectangular desks and little people sat at the desks. The front view, which is often labelled as F, which you have to look at on the diagram to see where that is pointing to. And the side view, which is from the other side looking across. So if we're talking about the front in a classroom, it's probably going to be from the whiteboard looking at the pupils. So what do you see? And if you're looking from the side, it's probably going to be looking from the side across at the side of the tables. And what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to draw what a shape looks like from those three different angles. So if we look at this question here, we've got this shape and we're told that the plan is looking directly down. We're told that the front elevation or the front view is looking this way, and we're told that the side is looking in this direction. And what we're told to do is we're told to use these 1 cm square pieces of paper to draw the view of this shape from each angle. So firstly we're asked to draw the plan view, which remember is looking directly downwards. So it doesn't matter which way around you draw the shape, providing you have the right sections drawn. So from the top, you should see that you've got this rectangle section here, which is 2 full squares. Also, below that, you're not going to see this step because you're looking directly down, so everything looks flat, 2D. But you are going to see this square attached to the end of it. So we've got this 2 by 2 square attached to the bottom of our rectangle. Now, next one we're asked to do is the side elevation. Well, the side elevation is looking in this way. So what do we see looking in this way? Well, on the bottom row, we should have this little 2 by 2. So we've got this 2 by 2. 2 by 1, sorry. So 2 squares by 1 high, and then on top of that, on the left hand side, we've got an extra square. So we've got this. So from the side view, you should see that if we could turn this shape and it look directly on you, that you've got this showing and this showing. On the front, which is this way, well, you've got this section here, which is a 2 by 1, and also connected to that we've got a 2 by 2 square. Now, some people actually find it helps to maybe shade in the different sections when they're doing this, so it's quite easy for me because I can use different colours on here. However, in an exam you might find that if you want to look at the stuff that's on top, you might go, well, the stuff on top will have as lines. So that's the stuff you can see from the top. You might have stuff you can see from the side and label it with little dots, so that you know that anything with little dots is to do with the side. And on the final section you might just have it as blank, and you can see all those stuff represent the front panels, and that might help you when you come on to drawing your plans and elevations drawing. Some people will find this really easy, but some people do struggle. So if maybe you do label the different sides with little patterns, it might help you to draw the plan view, which is looking straight down, and the front and the side view.